How to fix Google Pixel 9a stuck on boot screen. Fix 1. Force restart. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds, or until the device restarts. Step 2. If this works, your Pixel 9a should reboot normally. Fix 2. Wipe cache partition. Step 1. Power off your phone completely. Step 2. Press and hold power, volume down to enter fast boot mode. Step 3. Use the volume buttons to scroll to recovery mode, then press the power button to select it. Step 4. When you see the Android robot with an exclamation mark, hold the power button, then press volume up once and release both. Step 5. Use volume buttons to highlight wipe cache partition and press the power button to confirm. Step 6. After the process completes, select Reboot System Now. Fix 3. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Step 2. Tap and hold power off until you see a prompt for safe mode. Step 3. Tap OK to reboot into safe mode. Step 4. If the phone boots up normally, uninstall recently installed apps one at a time to find the cause. Fix 4. Factory reset, last resort. Step 1. Boot into recovery mode by holding power, volume down. Select recovery mode, then press power, volume up as described above. Step 2. Use the volume buttons to select wipe data factory reset and confirm with the power button. Step 3. Once the reset completes, select Reboot System Now.